Hi dear students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of English class. In the previous class we had completed our third lesson and today we are moving on to our fifth lesson. Okay, lesson 5 Akbar learns a lesson. Our fourth lesson was a poem and it was omitted. There is no need to study that poem. Okay. And we are moving on to the fifth lesson. Akbar learns a lesson. Akbar learns a lesson. Who is Akbar? Do you know who is Akbar? Akbar, Emperor Akbar is a Mughal king. Emperor Akbar is a Mughal king and he is the Emperor of India. He was the Emperor of India. Akbar was the Emperor of India. And there were 9 ministers in his court. And what was the name given to the 9 ministers of Akbar's court? 9 jewels or Navaratnas. 9 jewels or Navaratnas. Okay. Take page number 42. All of you take page number 42. The kings had ministers to advise them, but sometimes they did not follow their advice. All the kings have advisors. All the kings have advisors. A-D-V-I-S-O-R-S. Advisors. A-D-V-I-S-O-R-S. Advisors. Kings advisors. Kings court had so many advisors to advise them, but very often the kings did not obey their advice or follow their advice. They did not follow their advice. Then what was the reason? The kings had ministers. Ministers means ministers. You are very familiar with the word minister. Who is our chief minister? Who is our chief minister? Our chief minister is Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. The kings and ministers had ministers to advise them, but sometimes they did not follow their advice. Then Birbal was known to be both funny and clever. Birbal was the advisor of King Akbar, Emperor Akbar, and he is both funny and clever. He is a clever man. Birbal is a clever man and he is a funny man. F-U-N-N-Y, funny and clever. F-U-N-N-Y, funny, then clever, C-L-E-V-E-R, clever. He is a funny and clever man. Okay, see if you are, you can you can answer these riddles. Riddles means riddles. Some riddles are there and we have to find the answers of the riddles. What gets wet while it is drying? What gets wet? Wet means nanega. What gets wet when it is drying? When we want to dry something, it gets wet. What is the thing? When you want to dry something, that thing became wet. Okay, can you answer? A towel. You can write in the space a towel. First one, a towel. T-O-W-E-L. Okay, towel. How do it become wet? When we try to dry our hair, after bathing, our hair is wet and so much water. There is a huge amount of water in our hair. When we try to dry the hair, what will happen? The thing that the towel we used to dry the hair will become wet. That is, the answer is a towel. When we try to, what gets wet while it is drying? While it is drying, the towel gets wet. Then next one, what comes down but never goes up? What comes down but it never goes up? What is that? It is only coming down. It is never going up. What is it? Rain. R-A-I-N. Second one is rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. What goes down and never goes up? What comes down and never goes up? What is it? Rain. Then the third one. Which is the third one? What has a neck but no head? This thing has a neck but no head. What is it? Can you know? Do you know the answer? Can you answer me? What is it? What has a neck but no head? What is it? A shirt. Third one. A shirt. Shirt has a neck but shirt has no neck. Shirt has no neck. Shirt has a neck. Every shirt has a neck, but it has no head. It has a neck, but it has no head. What is it? A shirt. Is it clear? I will read that three riddles once again. What gets wet while it is drying? A towel. What comes down but never goes up? Rain. What has a neck but no head? Okay, shirt. Then the answers of three riddles once again. What gets wet while it is drying? A towel. What comes down but never goes up? Rain. What has a neck but no head? What is it? It is a shirt. Then page number 43. All of you take page number 43. The characters, it's a play. It's a play. Play means drama. P-L-A-Y, play. Play means drama. P-L-A-Y, play. Drama. D-R-A-M-A. Play means drama. Okay. Then the characters are Akbar, the Emperor of India. Who is Akbar? He is the Emperor of India. The next one, Birbal. B-I-R-B-A-L. Birbal, one of the 9 gems in Akbar's court. There are 9 jewels or gems in Akbar's court. They are known as Navaratnas, and one among them is Birbal. He is known for his wit or cleverness. Then stranger, Birbal in disguise. Stranger, who is the stranger? Akbar. Then who are the characters? Akbar. Then Birbal. A stranger. Stranger means not a familiar man. Stranger. Then the disguised Birbal is called a stranger. The stranger is described. The Birbal in disguise is described as the stranger. And subject 1, 2. Subject means, what is the meaning of subject? Is it English or Malayalam? No. Here subject S-U-B-J-E-C-T. Subject means Prajagal. Subject. The subjects of his country, Prajagal. Then guard 1, 2. Guard, soldiers. G-U-A-R-D. Subject 1, 2. Then guard, G-U-A-R-D. Guard 1, 2. Subject 1, 2. Then guard 1, 2. Who are the characters in this play? Akbar, Emperor of India. Then Birbal, one among the 9 jewels of Akbar's court. Then stranger, the disguised Birbal. Then subject 1, 2 and guard 1, 2. Who they were the characters. Then scene 1. In a play there were so many scenes. Scenes means Vengangal. Scenes. And the court of Akbar, Akbar is talking to Birbal. It was a scene and it is the Akbar's court. Akbar was sitting in his royal throne, T-H-R-O-N-E, throne, and he is surrounded by 9 ministers, and Akbar is speaking to Birbal. Birbal is one of the 9 ministers in his court. Akbar is speaking to Birbal. Akbar. Birbal, what do the spies say about the law and order in our kingdom? Spy, S-P-Y, spy. Who is spy? S-P-Y, spy. Who is known as spy? Spy. What is the meaning of spy? Charan. Secret agent to bring information. Secret agent to bring information. Spy. Secret agent to bring information. That is spy. We are appointing spies to know the things from the neighboring countries. Our country is appointing spies to do spy work to know the secrets of the other country or neighboring countries. That is spy work. And Birbal, what do the spies say about the law and order in our kingdom? In every kingdom there has its own law and order. Its own law and order. And the kingdom, the ministers or the kings will appoint some spies to go and ask for the welfare of the people or to find what the people are doing or what are they planning. Do they have any opposition to the kings? And for all these things they were appointing spies. Then one day Akbar is talking with Birbal and Akbar is asking what is the opinion of the spies. What did the spies say about the subject of my kingdom or law and order of my kingdom? Then Birbal, Jahanpana, Jahanpana means your majesty. Jahanpana is an Arabic word. Jahanpana, your majesty, all is well. All people are well. Peace prevails. Peace, peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace. There is no need of any regrets. Peace, P-E-A-C-E. A state in which calmness and quietness is there. There is no problem. They are living in peace prevails. Prevails means peace is going on in our country. There is peace in our country. Prevails. P-R-E-V-A-I-L-S. Prevails. P-R-E-V-A-I-L-S. Peace prevails. Peace is going on in our country. There is no sign of any quarrels, no sign of any problems, no sign of any difficulties related to the people. There is peace everywhere. Peace and calmness and silence is everywhere. Subjects praise you. The subjects means the people praise you. Praise means pugaltuga. Praise, P-R-A-I-S-E, praise, P-R-A-I-S-E, praise. People are in full worship for you. They are respecting you. They are praising you. People are praising you. Subjects praise you. Okay, once again you please listen. Akbar, the Emperor of India. Birbal, one of the 9 gems in Akbar's court. Then stranger, Birbal in disguise. Which is the word there? Disguise. D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E. Disguise means people who were in disguise. That means they were acting as other persons. They were dressed up as other persons. They look like other people. That means Vesham Mari Veriga, disguise. D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E. Birbal disguised himself as a stranger. Birbal disguised himself as a stranger. Okay. Stranger, Birbal in disguise, subject 1-2, gods 1-2. Court of Akbar. Akbar is talking to Birbal. Akbar. Birbal, what do the spies? S-P-Y spy, the plural S-P-I-E-S, spies. Say about the law and order of our kingdom. Birbal. Jahanpana, all is well, peace prevails, the subjects praise you. All is well, peace prevails, and the subjects praise you. Listen the tough words from the first part. Advisors, A-D-V-I-S-O-R-S, advisors. Then funny, F-U-N-N-Y. Next one clever, C-L-E-P-E-R. Next one spy, S-P-Y. Then peace, P-E-A-C-E. Next one prevails, P-R-E-V-A-I-L-S. Next one praise, P-R-A-I-S-E. Next one disguise, D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E. Disguise. Next part, Akbar, I am happy, but I still think that I should personally see the situation. I am happy to hear that there is no problem with the country and the subjects are living in peace, but I want to see it personally. I want to see whether the people are living in peace or they have any difficulty. I want to see this in personal, that I should personally see the situation. The word is personally, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L-L-Y, personally. I want to check whether they are living in harmony. I want to check it personally, see the situation, S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N, situation, which is the word situation. S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N, S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N, situation. And emperors, I should personally see the situation. Maybe the spies say so because they are afraid to tell the truth. Maybe sometimes the spies may be afraid of me to say the truth. They want to praise me to get some rewards. So that is why I think they are saying that there is peace in the country and all the subjects were living in peace and harmony. I want to say it personally. I want to see the situation personally. Once again, Akbar, I am happy, but I still think that I should personally see the situation. Maybe the spies say so because they are afraid to tell the truth. Birbal, this is not right, Your Majesty. An emperor's life is precious. You must be well protected. No, this is not right. It is not right. The spies were saying the correct thing. The spies were telling the truth. Your Majesty, an emperor's life is precious. Majesty, M-A-J-E-S-T-Y. Which is the word that is M-A-J-E-S-T-Y. Majesty means Allayo Rajave. Your Majesty, Allayo Rajave. This is not right, Your Majesty. An emperor's life is precious. Precious means valuable. An emperor's life is precious. P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. An emperor's life is precious. An emperor's life is precious and must be well protected. You don't need to. There is no need for you to wander in the streets to check whether the people are to. If you want to know, the spies will tell you. You don't personally go to the subjects and inquire about their welfare. An emperor's life is precious and must be well protected. Protected. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-E-D. Protected. An emperor's life must be well protected. This is not right, Your Majesty. An emperor's life is precious and must be protected. Akbar. Birbal, you think I am a fool? I will take all precautions. Birbal, are you thinking I am a fool? I will take all precautions. Precautions. What is the meaning of precautions? Munkarudalukal. Precautions. P-R-E-C-A-U-T-I-O-N-S. I will take all precautions. Birbal, you think I am a fool? I will take all precautions. I will go in disguise today. I will go in disguise. The word disguise we have written it earlier. Disguise. D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E. Listen here. Birbal, you think I am a fool? I will take precautions. I can take precautions. I know how to be there like another man and how to know the welfare of the people. I want to know the welfare of the people personally. Birbal, you think I am a fool? I will take all precautions. I will go in disguise today. Birbal, I request you not to go, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, Allayo Rajave, I request you. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T. R-E-Q-U-E-S-T. Request. I request you not to go. Your Majesty, I request you not to go. Akbar, I have said I will go, so I will go. I have a decision. I decided to go, so I will go. You are thinking that I am a fool, but I should take all the precautions and I will be there in disguise. I will not go there as Emperor Akbar, but I will go there as a disgraced person. They will not recognize me. The people will not recognize me. I will take the precautions for that. I will take the precautions for that and the people will not recognize me. I will go in disguise. D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E. Disguise. Okay, I will read that portion once again. You please listen. Akbar, I am happy, but I still think that I should personally see the situation. Maybe the spies say so because they are afraid to tell me the truth. Birbal, this is not right, Your Majesty. An emperor's life is precious and must be well protected. This is not wise, Majesty. Your Majesty, an emperor's life is very precious and should be well protected. Akbar, Birbal, you think I am a fool? I will take all precautions. I will take all precautions and I will go in disguise today. Today I will go in disguise. I am not going as Emperor Akbar. I am going as another man. I will disguise or I will dress up as another man. Birbal, I request you not to go, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I am requesting you again and again. You don't go. Then Akbar, I have said I will go, so I will go. I have decided to go. I decided to go, so I should be there today. I should be there today. I will go there today. I want to see the situation of the people personally. I want to understand their condition personally. Okay, then scene 2. Next one is scene 2. You listen to the top words from this paragraph. Personally, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L-L-Y. Personally, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L-L-Y. Personally. Next word is situation. S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N. Spelling S-I-T-U-A-T-I-O-N. Situation. The word majesty. Next word is precious. What is the meaning of precious? Valuable. Precious. Precious, valuable. Next word is protected. Maintained. Protected. 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 Next word is precautions. 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 Cautious means vigilant. Precautions. I take all the steps to not to be identified by the people. Precautions. Then request. 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 Which are the words? Once again. Personally, situation, majesty, precious, protected, precautions, request. Okay. Scene 2. The first scene was over. The first scene was the conversation between Emperor Akbar and his minister Birbal. The first scene was a conversation between Emperor Akbar and Birbal in Akbar's court. Second scene. Akbar disguises himself as a commoner, as a common man. He disguised himself as a commoner. The word is commoner. It is meaning is a common man. Commoner. C-O-M-M-O-N. Common. E-R. Commoner. Okay. C-O-M-M-O-N-E-R. Commoner. He disguises himself as a normal person, as an ordinary subject, with a shawl around him. He put a shawl around his face. He put a shawl around him. Not covered his face, but he put a shawl around his face. He is wandering in the city. Wandering means walking here and there. Wandering. Next word is wandering. W-A-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. What is the meaning of wandering? Emperor Akbar disguised himself or dressed up as a common man. Emperor Akbar removed his kingly dresses and then he dressed up himself as a common man and he covered a shawl. He put a shawl over his face, not over his face, around his face. Around his face, and then he is wandering in the city. He walked here and there in the city. He keeps looking back, little puzzled. Puzzled, P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Puzzled means confused. He is looking back every time. After a few minutes, within few minutes, he is in a limited interval or a frequency of time. He is turning back to find whether somebody is following him. He is in a confused state of mind. He is puzzled. The word is puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Puzzled. He is puzzled. Akbar disguises himself as a commoner with a shawl around him. He is wandering in the city. He keeps looking back, little puzzled. Then Akbar to himself. Akbar is saying to himself, there is nobody with him, nobody accompanied him. Why do I feel that someone is following me? Why do I feel? I have a feeling that somebody is following me. Following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Akbar is now walking alone. A-L-O-N-E. Alone. He is walking alone through the city. He is wandering in the city. And then he has a feeling in his mind that somebody is following him. He has a feeling of insecurity. He has a feeling that somebody is following him. Why do I feel that someone is following me? I think that man has been doing so. A man has been doing so. I have seen him behind me everywhere. I am going to all the places and everywhere I had a feeling that somebody is following me. A man is following me. Let me confront him. Confront means ഏറ്റുമുട്ടുക. Confront. C-O-N-F-R-O-N-T. Confront. Which is the word? Confront. C-O-N-F-R-O-N-T. If it is true, if a man is following me, I will confront him. Let me confront him. I want to confront him. Okay. Then Akbar. What is your name, stranger? Then he saw a man following him. Then Akbar turned back and asked the man, what is your name, stranger? And Akbar asked the stranger, what's your name? Then stranger, Wanderlust. What was the name of the stranger? Wanderlust. W-A-N-D-E-R. Wanderlust. He is just saying a name. It is not the correct name of him. Who was the stranger? Later we can find that who was the stranger. In the remaining part of the story, there is a mentioning about the stranger. Stranger, Wanderlust. Akbar came towards the stranger and asked him, "What's your name?" Then the stranger replied, "Wanderlust." Akbar, that is a strange name. It is a normal name. It is a strange name. I have never heard of such a name. In my life, I have ever heard of such a name. I had never heard of such a name. What do you do for a living? What's your job? Stranger, I wander. Wander means walking here and there. Alanju tiriga. I wander. That is why my name is Wanderlust. I used to wander here and there. There is no. What is strange profession? Profession. Profession. What? Occupation or job. Profession. 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 What is the meaning of profession? Occupation or job. Occupation. O-C-C-U-P-A-T-I-O-N. Occupation of or job. Work. Profession. What is strange profession? What is strange profession? I have never heard of such a profession. I have never heard of such a name like Wanderlust, and I have never heard of a profession like a wander. Where do you live? Which is your place? Stranger, everywhere. I am not staying anywhere. I am everywhere. I am staying everywhere. Then Akbar became angry. He angrily, for now he is irritated. On seeing the answers from the stranger, his name is Wanderlust, his job is wandering, his house is everywhere, he became angry. He said angrily, A-N-G-R-I-L-Y, angrily, A-N-G-R-I-L-Y, angrily. Akbar angrily turned towards the stranger. Akbar angrily turned towards the stranger because he is irritated. I-R-R-I-T-A-T-E-D, irritated. I-R-R-I-T-A-T-E-D, irritated. Akbar became irritated. On hearing the answers made by the stranger, Akbar became irritated, and what did he do? He turned towards the stranger angrily. You think you are God? God is everywhere. You are also saying that you are living in everywhere. Are you God? And do you know to whom you are speaking? Do you know to whom you are speaking? The stranger is thinking that he is speaking to an ordinary man, but because Akbar is dressed up as an ordinary man. Akbar is dressed up as an ordinary man. So the stranger asked him in this way. Or replied him in this way. And now Akbar angrily turned towards the stranger, and asked him, "Do you think are you God? Are you speaking to do you know to whom you are speaking? Do you know to whom you are speaking?" Stranger, to a human being. I am speaking to a human being. You are a human being. You are a common man. I am speaking to a common man. What is special in it? Akbar, no ordinary being. I am the emperor. Now Akbar got angry. He is irritated. He said that you are not speaking to an ordinary man. O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y. Ordinary. O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y. You are not speaking to an ordinary man. I am not an ordinary man. I am the emperor. Akbar became angry in an irritated tone, in an angry tone. He said that, "Do you know to whom you are speaking?" Then the stranger replied that, "Yes, I am speaking to a human being. No ordinary human being. You are speaking to me. I am emperor. I am an emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R. Emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R. I am the emperor of this kingdom. I am the emperor of this kingdom. You are speaking to the emperor. No ordinary being. I am the emperor." Stranger, emperor? Ha ha ha. Roaming on the street. Oh ho, you are an emperor. Then why do you roaming on the street? Roaming means wandering. R-O-A-M-I-N-G. Roaming. R-O-A-M-I-N-G. M-I-N-G, roaming means wandering, walking here and there. Roaming, R-O-A-M-I-N-G. Our emperor is walking here. He is a clever man. The stranger is a clever man. An emperor is walking here and there. That is the truth. Are you mocking me? Are you mocking at me? An emperor. Are you an emperor? Akbar. You do not believe me? Look at my royal seal. Then Akbar asked the stranger, you don't believe me? Then I am dressed up as a common man. You don't believe me? Then look at my royal seal. Look at my royal seal. Believe, spelling B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Believe. Okay. Look at the top words from this part. You please listen here. Commoner. C-O-M-M-O-N-E-R. How do we read this word? Commoner. Next word is wandering. W-A-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Wandering. W-A-N-D-E-R-I-N-G. Wandering. Next word is puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Puzzled. P-U-Z-Z-L-E-D. Puzzled. Next word following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Following. Next word confront. C-O-N-F-R-O-N-D. Next word believe. B-E-L-I-E-V-E. Next word wanderlust. W-A-N-D-E-R-L-U-S-T. Next word profession. P-R-O-F-E-S-S-I-O-N. Profession. Next word angrily. A-N-G-R-I-L-Y. Angrily. Next word irritated. I-R-R-I-T-A-T-E-D. Irritated. Next word ordinary. O-R-D-I-N-A-R-Y. Next word emperor. E-M-P-E-R-O-R. Then roaming. R-O-A-M-I-N-G. Once again, commoner, wandering, puzzled, following, confront, believe, wanderlust, profession, angrily, irritated, ordinary, emperor, roaming. Is it clear? We can stop here and I will read from the second scene. Scene 2. All of you listen from page number 44, middle part. Akbar disguises himself as a commoner with a shawl around him. He is wandering in the city. He keeps looking back, little puzzled. Akbar to himself. Why do I feel that someone is following me? I think that man has been doing so. I have seen him behind me everywhere. Let me confront him. Akbar, what's your name, stranger? Stranger, wanderlust. Akbar, that is a strange name. I have never heard of such a name. What do you do for a living? Stranger, I wonder. Akbar, what is strange profession? I have never heard of such a profession. Where do you live? Stranger, everywhere. Akbar angrily, for now he is irritated. You think you are God. Do you know to whom you are speaking? A stranger. To a human being. Akbar. No ordinary being. I am the emperor. Stranger. Emperor. Ha ha ha. Roaming on the streets. Akbar. Do you not believe? You do not believe me? Look at my royal seal. The emperor takes out the royal seal from his coat and hands it to the stranger. What did Emperor Akbar do? He took out the royal seal from his coat. In his coat there was the royal seal. Seal, you all know that every institution has a seal. Panchayat office has a seal. Village officer has a seal. Then gazetted officers have seal. Like that. Here Emperor Akbar had an emperor's seal. He took out the seal from his coat and showed it to the stranger and he handed it over. That means he gave it to the stranger. The stranger looks at it with wonder. The stranger looks at the seal. Suppose this was the seal. The Emperor Akbar handed over it to the stranger. Then stranger looked at it for some time in wonder. Wonder means surprise. Wonder. And before the king can do anything, he quickly slips it in his pocket and ran away. What did the stranger do? When Emperor Akbar handed over or gave the seal to the stranger, what did he do? He looked at it with a surprise and he put the seal into his pocket and he ran away from there. Who ran away from there? The stranger ran away from there. Akbar is stunned. Akbar is stunned. He did not know what to do. He is in a confusion. He did not know what to do. He realizes what has happened. Akbar was looking at the stranger, and the stranger wisely put his seal into his pocket, and he ran away from there. Akbar is stunned. That means he is confused. He didn't know what to do. He didn't know what to do. Then what did he do? Then after some time he realizes means understood. He understood that what was happened. My seal has been taken away by the stranger. We can stop here. My seal has been taken away by the stranger. Okay. I will read it once again. You please listen from the very beginning. Scene 1, court of Akbar. Akbar is talking to Birbal. Akbar, Birbal, what do the spies say about the law and order of our country? Birbal, Jagambana, all is well, peace prevails, the subjects praise you. Akbar, I am happy, but I still think that I should personally see the situation. Maybe the spies say so because they are afraid to tell the truth. This is not right, Your Majesty. An emperor's life is precious and must be well protected. Akbar, Birbal, you think I am a fool. I will take all precautions. I will go in disguise today. Birbal, I request you not to go, Your Majesty. Akbar, I have said I will go, so I will go. Scene 2. Akbar disguises himself as a commoner with a shawl around him. He is wandering in the city. He keeps looking back, little puzzled. Akbar to himself, why do I feel that someone is following me? I think that man has been doing so. I have seen him behind me everywhere. Let me confront him. Akbar, what's your name, stranger? Stranger, wanderlust. Akbar, that's a strange name. I have never heard such a name. What do you do for a living? Stranger, I wander. Akbar, what a strange profession. I have never heard of such a profession. Where do you live? Stranger, everywhere. Then Akbar angrily, for now he is irritated. You think you are God? Do you know to whom you are speaking? Stranger, you are a human being? Akbar, no ordinary being. I am the emperor. Stranger, emperor? Roaming on the streets. Akbar, do you not believe me? Look at my royal seal. The emperor takes out the royal seal from his coat and hands it to the stranger. The stranger looks at it with wonder, and before the king can do anything, he quickly slips it in his pocket and runs away. Akbar is stunned. He realizes what has happened. Then Akbar realizes what had happened. Okay, let us stop here. The important thing is that you should every day, in every video I am saying the same thing, that is to make you read the text. Text reading is very important. There will be comprehension passage from the text, from the lesson, from every corner it can be asked. Okay, so you should read the text carefully, so many times as possible, and write down the tough words, then study the spelling, then pronunciation and the words. Okay, wish you all the best and see you in the next class. Thank you.